Hello, everyone. My name is Mike Hurst. I'm the Science Fair Coordinator for School District 148. I would like to thank the President, Mr. Lawrence, and the other members of the Board of Education, and Dr. Nolte for having us here tonight to honor our 7th grade Science Fair winners. I would also like to thank the teachers who have inspired our young scientists this year. You know, with all the things that are going on, they have really taken things forward and moved things in a way that was unexpected under the circumstances that we've been in. You know, I want to tell you, our students began their investigation since September. Then a series of events occurred beyond their control. We had a shipping delay with the project boards. We had a number of absences right after the winter break. But through it all, our young scientists have persevered and been resilient, and they have put their projects together, and we were able to present our junior high science fairs at the end of January and the beginning of February. So we are here tonight to honor our 7th grade science fair winners. I am very proud of each of you, the work that you have done this year, and the work that you have put into your project.
Hello, my name is Jalil Littleton, and I'm 12 years old. And today I'm going to be telling you which glue is the strongest. My purpose of doing this experiment is to determine which brand of glue is the strongest or can hold up the longest. My hypothesis was I think that all white Elmer's glue is going to be more efficient than the clear bottle and the magic disappear glue stick. My materials are 1 Elmer glue bottle of glue stick, 1 Elmer purple magic disappear glue stick, 1 all white Elmer's glue stick in hot water, and 3 tops of a glue stick. My procedures are: first, I will get 3 glue tops and apply them to the glue. Then I will glue the tops against the product. After, I will let it dry for about 30 to 40 minutes. When it's done drying, I will pour hot water on it. Finally, I'll see how many tries it takes for those objects to fall. The results of my experiment were the clear bottle of Elmer's glue lasted longer than the magic purple disappear glue and the always Elmer's glue. It took 48 drops of water for the clear Elmer's glue to fall, 40 drops for the all white, and 27 for the magic purple disappear glue to fall. In conclusion, my main point of this experiment was to figure out which glue can hold up the longest. Even though my hypothesis was incorrect, now I know which glue is best for me to use. I can help others out if they need a very strong thin glue. In future projects, I can now make sure that I use every upholding glue. You should learn more about glue and keep learning interesting facts about it. Okay, here's my graph. This graph shows you how many drops of water it took for each product and glue to fall. These are the pictures of the graph, the pictures and how I conducted this project. And that's all.
My name is Caden Harrison, and I am a 7th grader at Junior High Washington Elementary. Today I will be doing the naked egg experiment. My proposal is, what would the outcome be if you put vinegar on the egg? My hypothesis is, if I put vinegar on an egg, I think the egg will crack. Materials I use: vinegar, an egg, a cup, and aluminum foil. Our procedure is: step 1, place the egg in an empty cup. Step 2, pour the vinegar in the mug with the egg. Step 3, place aluminum foil over the mug. My research is: step 1, vinegar is an acid. Step 2, egg shells are made of calcium carbonate. Step 3, if you soak an egg in vinegar, the eggshell will absorb the acid or dissolve. Step 4, the calcium carbonate will become carbon dioxide gas. My results was The first hour, it was bubbling in the bowl. My second hour, it was bubbling even more, and the colors were starting to come off the egg. The next morning, white and brown particles was in the cup from the egg, and this is what it looked like today. My conclusion was my hypothesis was not correct because I thought that the egg was going to crack, but it actually dissolved. So that is my naked egg experiment, and I'm giving my credits to Ms. Banks.
My name is Abiola Okisano. I'm in seventh grade. I'm from Union 230. My project is about what type of mask works best between a paper and a cloth mask. My hypothesis is that if I switch to a cloth mask, it should be better protect me from the virus than a paper mask. My materials were 5 paper, 5 cloth masks, 5 paper masks, and a pair of scissors, at least one pair. And then my procedure was give every person one type of mask. Get 5 paper masks, get 5 cloth masks, give every person one type of mask, and go through the 3 tests, which is detect airflow, thickness, and muffins, fit, and then thickness. The first test, airflow, which you need is lighter than one type of mask. Each person puts on one type of mask, and toss a block of lighter, and puts on the other type of mask, and toss a block of lighter. Whichever one is easiest loses that one. Actually wins that one. And then for the fit test, what do people do? Just put on one type of mask and just have conversations throughout the day. And then by the end of the day, they tell me which ones was easiest to talk to and which ones were hardest for. And for the thickness test, what you need is a pair of scissors to try to cut the mask. And however easy the mask is to cut, loses that test. Our results was that whoever chose one type of mask for each test, usually chose that type of mask for the rest of the test. And my conclusion was that I was right. A cloth mask is better than a paper mask for protecting from the virus. And that's my project.
Our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Nolte, is here now to present you with a special award.
Greetings, 7th grade science scholars. I am truly amazed at the topics that each of you have chosen to present at this year's science fair. Your dedication, hard work, and efforts are displayed in this virtual demonstration. Scholars, myself and the Board of Education admires your devotion to the world of science. Selecting a project to research, constructing and experimenting a hypothesis, analyzing the data, and drawing a conclusion to communicate the results to your audience is a very rewarding experience. District 148, you have delivered an impressive demonstration in a virtual setting. District 148 scholars are unstoppable, and it is exhibited in this virtual presentation. We are very proud of each of you. A gift will be delivered to Mr. Hurst to present to each of you. On behalf of myself and the Board of Education, we thank each of you for your time in sharing your gift of science and wish each of you continued success in your educational journey.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nolte and members of the Board of Education, for honoring our students in this way. I am very proud of each of you, the work that you have done this year, and the work that you have put into your project. Congratulations to everyone. What an exciting time to be a scientist. I will bring the award to your school. Until then, enjoy the fame and fortune.